welcome to Voices tonight, John Flynn, who is wrapping up his final day as Erie County District Attorney. Sir, it's good to see you.
Good to see you, Mike.
So, car thefts. This is the perfect transition because it seems like, especially over the past couple of years, your office was so intently focused on dealing with that specific type of crime because, you know, violent crime has gone down, right. Stolen cars have skyrocketed. How are you leaving office feeling about the stolen car epidemic here?
Well, this is a big part of it right here because when you get the Erie County Sheriff involved in their helicopter, along with other resources from other law enforcement agencies, we can find these cars and crack down on these car thefts. Now, like you said also, a lot of these are kids. They're juveniles. So a juvenile is just not going to be in my court. It's going to be in family court. So, you know, that's still a problem that we got to deal with, obviously. But, you know, retail theft and car theft are the two biggest items that I have leaving office.
Let's talk about crime overall, though, because, you know, we saw this huge spike in 2020, and I know that your office, the many police law enforcement agencies here, the state, everybody's really focused, and there's been a lot of success in bringing down violent crime. It seems like we don't talk about that a whole lot. What should we know about the efforts that have gone into reducing violent crime? Well,
we right now are at levels lower than even pre-pandemic. Obviously, as you pointed out, in 20 and 21, we had an almost 200% increase in homicides and non-fatal shootings. End of 21, 22, 23, those numbers have gone down dramatically. And like I said, they're down now even below pre-pandemic levels.
I know that we've discussed multiple times over the years bail reform, and there has been, and you've said this, good intentions behind it, because it shouldn't matter if you have money, you can stay out of jail until you go to trial. If you don't have money, then you stay in jail until you go to trial. What do you think now that I guess as of 5 o'clock, you're no longer the DA, right?
Well, actually tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. So in your final few hours here, how do you think we solve this problem? Because we know that there are repeat offenders. We know there's the issue with juveniles. What needs to happen?
Well, first of all, we've made some good progress in the past 2 years. For the first time ever, we actually have a harm analysis that factors in to whether or not judges can put bail on someone. That was never there before. It was always pure flight risk. In addition, last year, the governor, with her leadership, also tweaked the repeat offenders. So we made some good changes. Going forward, you know, we got to be realistic, Michael. I mean, we're not going to see anything this year at all, okay? You know, this year budget, like, you know, you just talked about, is going to focus just on money and not on any kind of policy issues. Next year, I'm hopeful we can have a few more tweaks. If we could make it so all felonies are bail eligible and all misdemeanors stay the way they are now, not being eligible, I think that would clear up a lot of confusion and make the system go a little easier.
Finally, in the little bit of time I have left, people have gotten used to seeing you at the news conferences, announcing arrests, indictments, trials. Are you going to miss it?
Well, I'm going to miss the people. I'm going to miss, you know, serving the community. I'm going to miss a lot about the job, obviously. But, you know, in life, you know, some people in political office, I believe, just kind of stay too long. And so I said to myself when I first took over 8 years ago, 2 terms, you're out, you're done. I've done that now, and so when I leave, I can leave satisfied that I've done, I think, a good job, and that I've made the residents of Erie County safer.
Well, we've done a lot of work over the years with Lippis Mathias, your law firm you're going to. We'd love to have you back to help us understand cases as we move forward.
Absolutely.
Maybe our new legal analyst here. John Flynn, outgoing Erie County District Attorney. Congratulations on the new job, and I'm sure in some ways life gets a little easier. DA is a tough job.
Thanks, Mike.
Good to see you. Thank you.